Hi, I know that growing audience on this YouTube platform is very, very hard. It needs hard work. There is one success saying that says that your positive thinking combined with positive strategy leads to success. So today we are going to talk about those strategy that you need to do for you to survive. It's not all about you posting every day. It's not all about you uploading 10 times, uploading 10 videos in a day for YouTube to notice that your channel exists. But when you apply some strategy, when you know what you are doing, then you are on the road to success. So today, just stick with me and we'll discuss all about these things.
And if you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Amaka. Like my video and subscribe to my channel. So on this space, I talk about all those tricks that will make us to earn cool cash on this app. So if you are the type that likes making money, this video is for you. So today, let's talk about those strategies that you need to do to succeed on this app. I just have only five steps for you to take, five things that you need to do for you to succeed here. So let's go.
So, number one key strategy is create high quality and engaging content. So, under this thing, we have focus on value, we have invest in production, and then be consistent. So, focusing on value, you need to make sure that your content is standing out among others. You make sure that your post is to solve problems because some persons are there for them to get answers to their question or answers to their problem. So make sure that your contents are engaging and it solves the problems that people need. Ensure that your content is informative, yes, and make use of good lightning. This comes in making good of production, investing in production. Yes, that is where this one comes in. Make sure that you have a clearer video for your audience to enjoy and not to be bored while watching you. So, and be consistent. You create a schedule for your post. So once you say that I'm going to be posting every 7 p.m. Make sure that your post comes every 7 p.m. Just ensure that you stick to a posting schedule to your audience. So let's dive into the second strategy, which says understanding your audience. Here, I have 3 points under this. One is define your niche, the second one is engage with viewers, and the third one is analyze analytics. So the first one is know your niche. Know your niche, make it to be specific. Some persons like to be versatile though, but it's way more better for you to focus on your niche. It helps more on that. And under these things, the second one is engage with viewers. You engage with viewers by responding to comments, you respond to question, you engage on things, you engage, you create a push for your subscribers to understand and have a room to ask questions. So on the third one, which is analyze analytics, this is where your YouTube studio comes in. You use your YouTube studio to analyze, to monitor your watch time, your demographics, where your people are watching from, which country has the most engaging on your videos and all that. So it's very, very important for you to use your analytics to analyze your video. It helps you and makes you to improve. So this makes you to success. Let's just dive into the part three or the third strategy. So on the third strategic key point is the third one is optimize for search and discovery. So under this optimize for search and discovery, I have 3 points for you again. So number one point goes that keyword research. Keyword research, yes. And the second one is compelling titles and thumbnails. And the third one is use tags and descriptions. So let's talk about the first keyword that I use, which is keyword research. So under this thing, you use Google search or ChatGPT to know and to search for popular terms on your niche. Yes, you search for popular things that is trending on your niche so that it will help you. You create your own content and it will go viral too. So on this one again, there is another keyword which is compelling titles and thumbnails. You create a catchy thumbnails, yes, for people to see it, and it's like clickbait, yes, for people to see it and engage in it. When they see your thumbnails, make sure your thumbnails are well designed for it to attract people to click on your videos. And the third keyword under this is use tags and description. Yes, make a good tags, make a good title and description on your video, which it helps you to improve your video and make you go viral too. So let's dive into the fourth strategic key. Number four key strategic word is build a strong community. So under this, I have 3 points for you. The number one point is encourage subscription. Yes, ask viewers to subscribe and turn on to notification. Yes, it's not a bad thing on your video. You always hear like my video and subscribe to my channel. So always ask viewers on your video each time you upload to subscribe to your channel. Is not a bad thing. So the second keyword under this is collaborate with creators. Yes, you collaborate with higher creators, the bigger ones, so that it will encourage you to build your own audience. Yes, and the third point under this is be authentic. Yes, let your personality shine, let your personality stand out, be confident on this so that it will make people to watch you and encourage them to watch what you are saying. Yes, be confident. So let's dive into the fifth strategic key, which is the last I'm going to share on this. Fifth one is promote your channel. Like this is just the important one. I think is one of the most important one. You promote your channel with everything in you. So don't just be shy about it. Don't relent. Promote your channel. Post your link on all social media platforms. Don't just depend on YouTube alone. You post your links across all social media platform, offline, online, just not only on Facebook. So make sure you promote your channel so that people will be engaging in your videos. It will make you also to go viral. So on this one, I have consistency. You be consistent in posting. Yes, just be consistent. You post regularly, not uploading 10 times a day. If you want, you can upload 10 times a day, but just be consistent. Understanding your audience, understand what your audience wants and what they need, so that it will help you to go viral. So all these points I have mentioned several points. I wish one or you apply one and it will help you in your YouTube journey. I wish you would apply all those. Pick one or two, or you can pick all, apply it, and it will help you in your YouTube journey. So if you like this video and you find this video helpful, like my video and subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification. Thank you. Bye.